New unboxing of my new AK-47 made by Century Arm. All US made parts on this gun. This is a Zhukov edition, Magpul furniture on it. And this thing is pretty sweet. I just got this from the gun shop. They manufactured this gun in April 14 of 2016. So it's pretty much brand new gun. Today is May 25th, 2016. Comes with the onion manual. Magpul PMAG, only one. And here's the AK. Let me get it closer to the camera. Long handguard over here at the front. And right there it says Zhukov slant muzzle brake. Got a place right here to put your rail. Magpul pistol grip. And this is the side folding stock. You can fire the weapon with the stock folded. You can fold it, and also it collapses by pressing the button underneath here. It's pretty tight right now since it's new. There you go. It has different 4 or 5 different positions down there. Also has a big extended magazine release here paddle, and the safety has the catch. So when you open your bolt, you can close it and leave it open. Pretty excited about this AK-47. The trigger is pretty sweet. Really smooth. Really light. I really like this AK-47 a lot.
Thank you for watching NCGUNS videos. Please remember to subscribe. Also check us out on Facebook and Twitter. And give us a like on the video. See you next week.